This is Alfonso Vasquez, the owner of La Shaky, and you're watching Andres Vlogs.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Andres Vlogs, Evelyn Tutorials. Go check her out on her YouTube, link in the description below. Go check out his YouTube,
Fabian Vlogs.
Fabian Vlogs. Nah, I want to, first of all, before I start the video, I want to thank you guys for 667 subscribers, I believe, or something like that. It keeps going up, it keeps going down, you know how it goes. So it's been crazy. You guys are supporting so much. I just love all the comments, even, you know, the negative ones, which I don't get too much of. I've been getting a lot of thumbs down. So all you haters watching, you know, keep watching. I love the, you know, I love everything.
Every single support.
Every support counts. So, you know, those thumbs up, thumbs down, good comments, bad comments, no hard feelings. It is what it is. You know, if you feel some type of way, let me know down in the description below. No hard feelings, all right? I am going to start doing like a truck shout out at the end of every video. So send in your trucks to my Instagram. There's gonna be in my description below. So at the end of every video, I'll shout out a truck and the Instagram name, and then yeah. So today we're just gonna have a couple things. Right now I'm gonna go check out the paint for my bumper. I'm gonna start prepping it today, and I'll bring you guys along with that. So see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, so I just got the paint for my bumper. Super excited. A subscriber asked that what my color code was to my truck because he wanted to paint a truck the same color. So the guy told me it was a WA812K. So that's the color code of this truck. So yeah, you guys, right now we're gonna go sand it. She's gonna help me out recording or something, or she's just gonna watch the baby. But that's big enough help for me.
Yeah.
So we got this little puppy, so small. I got it from somebody for free. Look, he's smaller than my foot. Come here. Hey. They needs to go to the bathroom. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Good job. So we postponed it. We're gonna do it later. I started sanding the bumper, but it didn't work out. Are you recording? Who's recording?
Steve Nut.
Yo, over here, hella lazy. David ain't done nothing all day.
Nigga, I worked all day and I still gotta fix this nigga's truck.
Damn.
I gotta burn out, bro. I gotta stop burning out.
Oh, we don't want some chips.
It has electric windows?
Yeah. Electric windows and OBS for sale. Hit me up.
It's one of a kind.
It's one of a kind. Nigga, all OBS. Hey, wait, saca el gato. Saca el gato, güey. No, el otro.
Oh, este. Ay, yo pensaba que el otro gato.
No, ese güey, hay que se quede.
El boots.
What are those? Tacuache boots.
Troqueando boots.
Toqueando kids.
Agua.
Echa el agua porque está quemando, güey. We should do that. We should do something like that. But with my truck.
Let's do it, bro. We gotta make some viral video. Send us ideas in the comment section below. We're gonna do some viral out here with La Shaky or La Griselda. One of my subscribers named, gave me the name Griselda. I like it. Hey, what's the name of your truck, David?
Marshmallow.
La Marshmallow. Okay. So this is my truck right here. You guys know. I already started sanding this part right here. You guys can tell. Kinda, not really. I just did it with 600 wet sand, so it didn't do too much damage. But I'm gonna do a video just specific on that. I already got the paint. I'll show you guys the paint. Today would just be like a vlog type of thing, type of day. But either way, I am gonna do the shout out of the truck after the video. So go to my Instagram and send me your truck with your Instagram name, and I will give you that shout out on the next video.
¿Dónde estamos, güey? Estamos con La Shaky. Alfonso Mob on the back. You feel me? Shout out to.
That's the truck shout out today. Alfonso Mob. Check him out on Instagram.
Aquí tenemos al compa Messi. What you want me to do? Está suelta. Está suelta. Oh shit, never mind. Hold up.
Ahí está.
Ahí está. Dale para atrás.
Dale para atrás bien, like hella hard and then put the e-brake.
Dale, güey. ¿Sí o no?
It's a ladybug.
Like,
It's a la ladybug, nigga.
Nah.
like, tú le jalas para atrás and then you, like, try to hold it.
All right, I'm gonna go front, back, and on the second one I'll hold it.
Okay.
Ahí está.
Yeah.
Front, back. Ahí está. Sa huevo.
A Wiwi con el Parigui. Acá el Dave estaba atrás, abajo de la troca, abajo de la shaky.
We're about to have the Jack Olympics next.
What's today's sponsor?
Today's sponsor is Sacramento Cream Wilbur Way, the ice cream for kids.
You said the whole address. Their address.
Never mind, it's a Ram. We don't sponsor Ram.
Oh yeah.
Pura Chevy, puro GM. Watching the comments, they're gonna be like, Ram is GM. I know, but not Ram. What?
All right, let me tell you the reason why I call it like shaking. Es porque
¿Qué un pendejo?
don't listen to that. Okay,
Pendejo.
when I bought it, you know, it wasn't shaking, but
Súbete, vamos a ir a la vuelta.
like one of the tires tiene una pinche bola, and it started shaking from this tire right here. Pero I haven't drove it for a cool minute, been a week. Ahí está la llave. Gotta go test run it.
Hopefully this shit doesn't break in the middle of the fucking way.
Andres, just know we did not steal your camera. We're gonna go test ride the fucking La Shaky, okay?
See, it stopped, huh? It stopped, huh?
Yeah.
It stopped?
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga, shit, other shit. What's that? See, it hella shakes. Why though?
Cause the tire from this side is fucked up. Clean. Wet.
Clean trucks right there, boy. Damn. Watch when this is parked at my house. Boom, boom, boom. That'd be crazy. Whoever truck is that, tag him if you guys can. It's a clean ass truck out here in Sacramento, California. Hella clean. Looking wet and saucy. Damn. Right. Damn, clean ass truckies. What y'all doing here? Viene a comprar mandado?
Yeah, I came shopping for the week because you know I work. You can see on my shirt for
Look
me.
at that. Black tops
Black tops, hit me up. I'll do your countertops
for free.
maybe for free if you're cute.
Oh snap, he did it for free for me, so shit. ¿Tú qué haces, güey? La huevonea en la casa todo el día.
Yeah.
Sí, güey, sí te creo.
Look, that's the type of people.
Look at, damn, the difference. Hey, I bet you won't climb all the way up there, man. Bet, right there, on those maruchas. Come on, King Kong. Hey, güey, sí se me parece King Kong, güey. Dale, güey. Dale, güey. Oh. Some little ass kids, man.
Rims?
We're here with the press.
No, with polish.
Vinny just got his decal. You got yours already?
Yeah.
Bet, nigga. You.
Now we just gotta put it on. We have to
Eres
put
el
el
hermano de la Kelvin.
Ese es mi
Sí,
gemelo.
güey. Ese es el gemelo. Ese es su hijo. Look, he just painted it with spray can. Look how it looks. Hella ugly. But look what I did. Damn, son.
Where your mama at?
Hey, Denver. It kind of looks the same. Nah.
And we still have the polished the other side. We still have to buff it out.
Keep on it. Fonzo Mob. Fonzo Mob.
Güey, lance el muffin, güey.
Hey.
Que no trabajó hoy.
Hey, say something and I'll shoot you, nigga.
I don't even talk
Say
to
something.
him.
Keep recording.
Say something and I'll shoot you. Hey, Alfonso, say something and I'll shoot you.
Hey, nigga, keep recording, nigga. Keep recording.
Boom, gay.
Boom, gang.
Hey, give me that shit.
Nah, don't. Hey, wait, come on. No te pulo nada, güey. No te pulo nada. You don't give a fuck about no decal. Oh, thank you, bro. Hey, stop smoking. That's bad.
Oh, I'm trying to hit your balls,
Bitch.
When I hit the camera?
Nah, my chest.
Hey, but I still need it, nigga.
Your mama. He's like,
Pinche tacuache.
Le queda, güey.
you got a cough.
Se descargó esa madre.
Este güey parece chimenea, güey.
Sí, pendejo, échamelo todo a mí.
Good shit.
Hey, nigga, say something and I'll shoot you. Hey, nigga, say something and I'll shoot you. Hey, it's for the.
You see, that was good.
Do it.
This is Alfonso Vasquez, the owner of La Shaky. And you're watching Andres Vlogs.
Se pasó de verga, güey. Se pasó de verga. No, güey, este güey se pasó de verga, güey. Se pasó de verga.
All right, show me the cars.
Alright. We got a Lexus right here.
Alright.
White, you know.
Be a salesman.
No,
All right, okay, go next car. Come on, next car.
Hey!
No. Hey, estamos vendiendo carros, güey. A ver. We're selling cars.
Yo soy la modelo.
A ver, don't get on them, no.
Aquí tenemos a... No lo toques! We got a Honda. I think it's a...
All right, let's go. Next car.
We gotta bring the owners on.
Truck, me.
And a come shot.
Oh. Damn, se pasaron.
I'm out, quítale el ticket.
Quítale.
Child, you don't want to see my dancing skills.
Oh, they got his ass. Oh shit! Literally, they got him.
Hey, no, nigga. Look at him. I got you.
Oh shit! Hey, good shit. A ver las nalguitas esas. Damn.
But I'll get you, nigga, 20 more whenever you want. Hey, why you gotta copy my grandson?
We're about to race. Nah, foul. Esa fue. Oh, sí, güey. He got his drags. He got his slicks on.
Oh, I think I like this, man. I like that. Too much in the middle. Ready, set, go.
Come on. Ah, snap.
I was gonna catch up to him in the last.
I was. Isn't that everybody's excuse? I was. I was. Hey, I was.
In the locker, I was in a dustbin.
Hey, I was. Tell me who doesn't use that excuse?
Oh no, 3500. The engine size. ¿Qué ordenaste, güey? ¿Qué ordenaste?
Pues ordené 4 machicas nomás porque estamos pobres, mira.
Híjole, pero con eso te cansa de 9, güey. A ver, voy a ver estos, güey. A ver, se ve, ¿qué ordenaste, güey? Ya se le olvidó el cabrón. Ahí nos vemos, güey.